Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Andriano with registration number is A1M218O13. So in this video, I want to present the journal that I have found before about qualitative research with the title about analysis the effectiveness of three online vocabulary flashcard websites on L2 learners level of lexical knowledge. So it has been written by Chen Wen Chen in Department of English Instruction in National Hsinchu University of Education in Taiwan and has been published online at April 23rd, 2015. So the first one is introduction. So vocabulary is essential thing in communication because it's the first thing when we want to learn a new language, it's important to know it. So Nation 2001 say that vocabulary learning via technology is more effective using because we can review the vocabulary itself. And the next one is flashcard. What is flashcard actually? Flashcard are the cards that bear of information. It has two slides. The first slide consists of word, and the second slide is picture or definition that makes students easy to understand what the meaning of the flash of the word itself. So integration of multimedia, we can use online learning or online vocabulary learning that make us to more understand about the meaning of the word itself. So in this research use Nakata's theories and Nation's theory. Next, literature review. So research demonstrates that it's not only about definition when we want to build our vocabulary, but also need other tools to improve, such as opposite, such as grammar, and so on. Next, so the Nation theory in 1994 say that activities for vocabulary learning consist of form, meaning, and use that consist of the subpoint that make us understand when we want to learning using online flashcard or flashcard itself. So flashcard is excellent way when we want to learn a new language or vocabulary because it make us understand. And Nakata's 2011 say that it has 17 criteria when we want to use that make us effective to understand, such as multilingual support, support data entry, and flashcard set. Next is tweet et al. Say that a game in Facebook is effective to the learner language to learn a new word. And online flashcard is easily to use to understand because we can review the vocabulary itself. The next one is method. So this study has aimed at to compare and contrast three online vocabulary flashcard websites and their characteristics, as well as to discover college freshmen' perception of these online vocabulary flashcard websites. And it's also consists of two questions. The first one is what word knowledge can the exercise and flashcard on the online vocabulary flashcard websites provide? And the next one is what are Taiwanese college freshmen' attitude toward and perception of these vocabulary flashcards in terms of their vocabulary learning and word knowledge acquisition. So the method consists of three steps. The first one is research setting and participants. So the participants consist of the one instructor and include two freshman English classes of 64 students. This study conducted 3 months from February until April 2013. So the data use conventional sampling in this study. And the next one is data collection. The major data comes from three online flashcard websites: Classroom Observation, Online Flashcard, and Records. And the next is the result. So based from the three online flashcard online website, from Quizlet, StudyStack, and Flashcard Exchange, that we can find the result that none of the exercise on these three websites focus on meaning and use in this vocabulary. And the next is based from the theory of nation in 1994, activities for vocabulary learning. As you can see that here, the element and form that we give the sign, it has in these three websites, but also it's not blank. That means that it's not we find in their vocabulary website. And next is Nakata in 2011 criteria. It has 17 criteria and 2 categories. The first one is criteria consists of 6 sub-points and learning consists of 11 sub-points. So as you can see here, it has signed to sign that it has in 3 online website flashcard, and the blank part is not have in the online flashcard websites. So other results, as we can see, based from the data, and we find that online vocabulary flashcard websites, the biggest problem students get is it's not able to log into the website, and unfamiliarity with the website itself, and slow internet service in the researchers place. And the next is a record of student participate spectrum. As we can see, it has a percentage of the complicated activity. The first one is matching, 94%, crossword 92%, and so on, as you can see in this PowerPoint. Okay, I think it's clear. And the next is results of interview. Based from the interview, learners tend to hold positive learning attitudes, and they're highly effective, efficient method for learning vocabulary words. Participants like Speller in Quizlet, and the most chopped in StudyStack was the last vocabulary activity, but there has been said that they get bored with a lot of tests. The next one is discussion. So in this discussion, we answer 2 questions. It is the first one is online vocabulary website can provide user-friendly videos to facilitate user logging in, making flashcard, playing online games, and so on. Internet access and easy logging in should be taken into consideration too. And the second one is many words have different meaning and serve different functions in different sentences, text, and even conversation. So the next one is conclusion. So online word exercise should focus on developing learner receptive and productive skills of word knowledge, and they should provide user-friendly guidelines with easy internet access and logging in. For the suggestion, these studies could compare and contrast the effect of online vocabulary flashcard websites on low, intermediate, and advanced proficiency level EFL learners' vocabulary learning. I think that's all. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.